work tips doing a tabletop roof. There's a couple of good ways of working this out, but what I would do is find the right angle corner and I'll lay my rafter down. That way I can work out with my timbers where exactly my trimmers are, double plates, top and bottom, and size of my stud walls. I can also, from that position, measure out from my seat cut, my bird's mouth, to where my plumb cut is going to be on my rafter, all from this corner. And once we've set this out on the floor, what I'm aiming to get is where the plumb cut comes down and touches the floor. So like I say, you can work it out from the corner, you can work it out from apps, various different ways and methods, but that's how I like to do it, traditional way. And then once I've done that, I will measure in from the corner out for both corners, and then I'll do the same the other end. And the distance in between is what the tabletop's going to be. But a very good way that I've been shown by a master carpenter, what he would do is get the measurements from each side and ping a line through. And then we do that in 4 different directions, and that gives you an accurate of exactly the position of where that is. And the good thing is about doing it that method is, as where we've got these walls, and we've got to put in walls where they are, because you're governed by the dot and dab and the plasterboard lines. So that might not be central with the roof, so that's irrelevant. So by pinging these lines, you can measure to your wall to find out exactly where your tabletop is going to go. You do that from each side, you can mark that the tabletop if you make it the floor, and then when you've got it up the top, little jiggering around with the rafters, and that should be close as you're going to get it. Good work, Tick's tabletop roof.